Okay, well, if any of you guys went to Matt's, I'm sure you've already heard about this new sandpaper that Renegade has. We're going to do a little review on it today. Because, well, I got my hands on it long before a lot of you guys could. Alright, there's the part number there for the sandpaper. And honestly, I'm not 100% sure if it's available to the public yet, so you guys will have to keep your eye open for that. Anyways, let's take a look at this sandpaper a little up close. And this is our 400 grit. And honestly, you look at it, pretty smooth paper. It's not like super crazy gritty, but it does cut extremely fast and it does last longer than a normal sheet of sandpaper. I will say that. It does exactly what they say it's going to do. But I have hit this before. The only thing that I do not like about this sandpaper, I'm being 100% honest here, is these holes. Now, in my opinion, these holes are going to collect dust, create more scratches, but I figured out something to make this sandpaper work with the holes. Because here at Pure Polish, if there's a will, there's a way. We're going to figure it out. And by golly, we did. So here are the two tools that we're going to use with the sandpaper. I like to rotary sand it first. Center, come out to the lip. I use 400 and 600 on my rotary sander. And then to clean it up with all them little scratches that I may or may not get, I like to come over it with this, 800 grit. And by the end of it, I get that rim shining damn near perfect. Both of these rims were sanded and polished with Renegade products. If you guys are interested, you can click that link in my bio and find everything.